Hey guys, it's me, Duke, and
Lincoln.
Today, we're gonna show you what's in these. I never could get them open. So, here we go. It's really cool, actually. Right, Lincoln?
Yes.
Ready?
That can be a hideout or anything.
Yeah, if this video gets 1 like, we will go inside of it, okay? Okay. Here we go. First one. We'll go in this one. This one right here. Because this is the only one we can fit. We'll stay in there for at least 2 minutes. Okay. I just tripped over that. That's an epic fail.
Yeah.
Come on, Lincoln.
It's like a piece of butter.
Butter. Piece of butter. This it's a lock. Pretty cool. This. Come on, try that. Okay, so that's what's inside of that.
Look what's in here.
Wait, okay, let's look what that's in that one. Open it up for us, Lincoln.
See what's in there.
Oh, plastic baggies. No, you don't. You guys don't need to see that. Oh, what the frick? I didn't fail to catch that. Oops, lock that back up.
This is how it
Move your hands. Okay, so now, oh, my booty's wet. Here, look at the water. Isn't that pretty? Pretty. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, and here's the sink again. Okay, now for this one. Ready, guys? Last one. Move this bag.
Just look.
Oh, we can get in this one. What did you do?
Look.
Oh, that was a cork. Okay. Lincoln, we could get in this one. Look, come here, Lincoln. We could probably get in that one too. 1 like on this video and we'll each get in one of these. Our outro now. Let's do our outro. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If we smash 1 likes or 1 like, we'll get inside one of those for like a whole video. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.